Hello, everyone. My name is Lachlan. I am now a former student in Dr. Abbasi's TGF research group, and today I'm here to introduce you to the GUI I made to help you with the analysis process. Now, before you start, you want to have found a TGF event, meaning that you verified it with the NLDN, you ran the rtuple burst script, and you've downloaded all the SD data from the VM in the Linux machine in the lab. And then the data that we're going to use, or that I'm going to walk through, is using the interferometer, the fast antenna, the TSAD, the photometer, the V2012, V711, and we might use the NLDN. It's good to have, and you should already have it if you found a TGF event. Now, the values to know before we get started is obviously the time range for the event. So the one that we'll be looking at today is from September 21st, 2025 at about close to 3 a.m. And this is a T0 time from the fast antenna header. I'll go into more detail about what that is when it comes up. Now, here's an example of how I stored the data for 2025. If you're using the laptop that's in the lab, you'll see this. If not, I would recommend organizing it like this. And for the tutorial, here's all the data that I've collected. So we have, the SD files, the V2012, V711, photometer, NLDN, LMA. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention LMA earlier. LMA is important. The interferometer and the fast antenna. Now to start, you're going to have downloaded this scripts folder from the GitHub. There's a couple ways you can do that, but you can figure it out, and you're just going to open this main Python file. So I already have it pulled up, so I'm going to just pull it up here, and we're just going to right click and run main, and it should pop up in a second. There it is. Oh, one sec. Okay, and when it pops up, it should look something like this. I'm going to try to make it look a little nicer. Hopefully it looks better when you're using it than it does right now, but bear with me. So we're going to go ahead and create a new project and just full screen this. And this is the first tab that opens. This is the tab that will be one of the figures in the 2025 paper, and we've always had a figure like it in all the previous papers. And it's essentially where you aggregate all your data. So even before you have any of these values, these are just default values in here. You can zero them out, or I might have them zeroed out before you even start. You can just go ahead and put the data that you have in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. So what do we have here first? I have fast antenna. This is the fast antenna because it's a CSV. The interferometer, that's important. That's the tar file. The SD directory, that's going to be a folder, so it's there. The photometer, which will be the PXI file, and there. Now, before we plot the data, there's a few more things. First of all, the INTF pre-calibrated. This is essentially, we're going to calibrate the interferometer in a second, but the raw data that you're putting in is not pre-calibrated, it's raw, so you're going to untick that. Now the plot range, I described the range that we're looking at earlier, which is 324,000 microseconds to about, let's go to 33000 for now. And the last value we're going to put in is this T0 time. Now this is a very important time because it's what the fast antenna and interferometer are relative to in their raw form, pre-calibrated. And this variable is found if you